Ja, herzlich willkommen wieder von der Menge Money. Neben mir ist Jim Robertson von Blackheath und wie immer muss ich gleich sagen, ich habe hier einen Interessenskonflikt. Ich bin Aktionär von Blackheath und deswegen müssen Sie natürlich dieses bei Ihren Investments berücksichtigen. Jim, coming up to the last 3 to 6 months, what was the highlights of your company?
Well, I think, as you know, our company is involved in tungsten in Portugal, and our goal has been to acquire the best past-producing tungsten mines in the country. And they were closed down because of tungsten prices being low in the mid-1980s. Now they're a lot better, which is great. So I think the objectives, we have 4 projects now. So the highlight, most recently, we have acquired the new Vale das Gatas Mine. And that was the second largest past producer in Portugal. So that is now a Blackheath project. Also, we started drilling at Covas. We haven't got the results yet, but that was a good thing to start.
Okay, so that sounds like you have a lot of work in the next 3 to 6, 12 months, especially you're planning also drilling on kind of this project?
Well, yes, we are. We had good results at our Borralha Projekt, right on surface, for a potential very large, potentially open pit tungsten mine, and we want to drill that. We need to drill that probably in the spring of next year. We have to finish off our current drilling program at Covas, and we probably will have a third phase of drilling at Covas, as well as exploration of our other projects as well.
You're strictly focused on Portugal. Do you think, and we have in the past success in Portugal, so but you're looking also in some other area, maybe go over to Spain or?
Well, we did do very well in Portugal, you're right. Some years ago we had a 15-cent stock and we sold it at $3.65, which was great. It was tungsten and it was Portugal. So that obviously is an area that we know very, very well, and that's where we're at the moment focused. I think the next step outside Portugal will be a fairly significant step for us. These are challenging times. We want to make sure we've got a very firm foothold in Portugal and that we can advance our projects. But eventually, yes, we certainly will go elsewhere.
Coming back to the markets in general, the market are really in a bad shape. Okay, tungsten doing well from the commodity side, but a lot of people have problems to follow the tungsten price. It's not a daily price, you cannot find it every daily. But what is your expectation about the resource sector in general?
Well, I think the resource sector in general, we've obviously been looking for the last couple of years for improvements, and all I can say is that those improvements will come, and now they're a couple of years closer. As far as tungsten is concerned, tungsten price has in fact increased over the past year. It's not an easy price to find. People do have to sort of go to Google and look a little closer for it. But we're around $380 to $400 a metric ton unit, which is 10 kilograms. So about $40 a kilogram.
Financing, exploration need money. At this time, it's really tough to raise money. So, do you have any ideas how you can finance the next few rounds of drilling exploration?
Well, that's a very good question, because there are certainly challenges out there. I've been in this business 40 years, and the last couple of years have been tough. We have been listed 2 years, and we've managed to succeed in funding our programs as we go forward, and certainly that's what we're looking at doing now. So yes, there are opportunities. We've had some encouragement. We will move forward.
Okay, Jim, thank you for the interview. Good luck in the future, and hopefully the share price will go up.
Well, that's what we're looking forward to, Joe.
Great.
Thank you.